to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome. So today I have a B&M Home Bargain, B&M Home Bargain haul for you guys. Let's get into this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy watching, share it, consider subscribing if you've watched to the end. Okay guys, let's get to the video. Okay guys, so I also have a little bit of Asda home wear as well. I just thought I would just have the Asda on join as well and show you guys everything, but it's more of B&M home stuff. Okay, so I'm going to start with this pair of pillows. So I'll start with the pillows. Okay, I needed pillows, so I got some pillows. So there's two in here. It's a pair as always. Okay, and then for my living room, because the one I have is kind of gone for a long time, but I'm just using it like that, so I decided to buy this. Okay, so the pillow, let me tell you the price. I forgot to tell you the price. The pillow is £12, and this is the pole rod for, I'm sure you guys know what this is. Okay, so it's the extendable cotton pole. Okay, so that's what this is. As you can see, this was £20. You can see the price there. So this one is the long one, 4 feet to 7 feet. I'm even thinking it's a bit too big, but anyway, that's the one I bought just to make sure that it's long enough. So this is £20. Okay, so that's that one. And then let me show you this one before I show you what is in the bag. And this one, you know, I bought a mat recently for my kitchen, a foot mat, but it's meant for outside. So I put that one outside the garden door already, but the inside of the kitchen, I saw this in B&M. I was going to buy a different type, but I saw this one for £6, and they said it's antibacterial door mat. Okay, so I saw it for £6. You can see £6. So I got that. And then, okay, let's show you the Asda one, or shall I show the B&M? Okay, let me finish showing the B&M one and I'll show you the Asda one. Okay, so I got this plate. I got this bowl from B&M. It's £2.50. I just like the design inside. I hope it can focus so you guys can see. It's focusing on my face. Okay, so yeah, £2.50. And then I bought this basket as well to keep I want to keep throw for the living room. I want to keep the throws in there, so like blanket, but they're not blanket, throws, or throws blanket, whatever they call it. It's £8. I don't know if you guys can see the price there. £8. Okay, so I also got some other stuff here. I got more stuff in the bag here. I bought this rice cracker cheese flavor. And then I love these. Oh my, there's two of them. I love these. Can you guys see how pretty they are? Very pretty. They are candle holders, these two, but I'm not going to be putting candle. I don't think I'm going to be putting candles inside. They are candle holder, but they are so cute, guys. So pretty. I don't know if the camera is showing you guys properly. They are really beautiful. They are like the tray I have. I want to put them on my TV. So each of them is £5. They got a lot of, $5.99, guys. I didn't even realize it's $5.99. Can you guys see? It's $5.99. Okay, for each of them. I didn't realize it's $5.99. I thought it was £5. And then I bought this color pencil for my son. The bottom is even ripped. I didn't even know that. This is £2.49 color pencils. And then I bought this apple fruity bakes. apple fruity bakes. I got some pack of pens because my pens are finished, so I got some pack of pen. And then I got the cloth I normally use to wipe. This is cloth I used to wipe. So you can see this one is £3. I nearly forgot this. I just saw somebody dropped it and I said, oh, I need that. And I got this perfume. I got this, I think I showed you guys this perfume in one of my haul. So I gave it to someone, so I bought another one for myself. Oh, the perfume is $2.99. This one was £1. This was 79p. The ball pen was £1.75. The price is there. Okay, and then I got my body lotion, which is $3.99. It should be $3.99 or £4. Let me see. I don't know if I dropped the receipt in here. Okay, no, that's a different receipt. But I think it's about £4. Is that $3.99 or £4? And then I also got this for my table. I was a bit confused of what to get. I want to decorate the coffee table. I'm a bit confused of what to get. But anyhow, I got this, which is £5. I'm still trying to think of how to decorate it. So that is £5. And then last but not least, how do you say it? I got this for my son, Marvel. He liked Marvel, anything Marvel. Okay, this was $7.99, but this I'm going to wrap it up. It's going to be like a gift, so I'm going to wrap it up. Okay, so that's all I got from B&M. And then the Asda Home, from Asda Home, I got these 2 throws. I was going to get in B&M, but I was thinking maybe I may not find what I want in B&M. So when I saw this £8 each in Asda, I decided to pick it up from Asda. Okay, if not, I would have bought. And when I got to B&M, I saw some really nice ones, but I've already bought these and I didn't want to like repeat buying again. So I decided to just stick to these 2. I might buy another color in future anyway, maybe later. So they are £8 each. Okay, so they are going to go into this basket. That's why I bought this basket. And I also bought this. I want to use to organize precious wardrobe. So I got this too. It's £4 each. Okay, that's £8. Okay guys, so that's all I actually got. I really like these. These are really cute. I love them so much, guys. I love these too much. So yeah, but this is the end of the haul. I hope you guys enjoy watching. Please, if you enjoy watching, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell when you do subscribe. Okay guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I love them. They are beautiful.